Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Some few days ago, there was an interview granted the national chairman of Miyetti Cattle Breeders Association, MACBAN. The chairman and the national president is Obodejo, and he talked of releasing 5,000 Fulani vigilante to all the 36 states in Nigeria, the southeast, south, all the geopolitical zones included. And that triggered a lot of responses from different angles. But right now, the Apex Igbo socio-cultural group, Ohanaeze and Igbo, has sent strong warnings to them. And that's what we're going to be looking at. And they have also mandated ESN and also EbubeAgu to do something very critical, which we are going to look at in a jiffy. But before we continue, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's look at the news in detail. The Apex Igbo socio-cultural group Ohanaeze and Igbo has warned Miyetti Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, MACBAN, against any attempt to operate a Fulani security group in the Igbo land. Ohanaeze further warned that if the purported move by Miyetti is not quelled, it may spell doom to Nigeria. The highest Igbo organization, in a statement by its Secretary General, Mazi Okechukwu Izozoro, and issued on Monday night, emphasized that securing lives and property of the citizenry solely lies in the hands of state governors and the president, vowing that Igbos would resist such attempts to deploy any Fulani security group to man nooks and crannies of Igbo land. Ohanaeze and Igbo cautioned Miyetti not to test the venom and wrath of the Igbos with the increasing attack on innocent groups by its killer headsmen. According to him, he said, "We have accommodated them, living with them peacefully, but we will resist any attempt to deploy any Fulani security group in the East." The group further used the medium to condemn in strong terms the burning down of security formations in Uzuakoli, Bende local government area of Abia State. It was gathered that unknown gunmen on Monday morning reportedly raised down a police station in Uzuakoli, Bende local government area of Abia State. The incident occurred in the early hours of Monday when the assailants invaded the station. But continuing, Ohanaeze and Igbo, in the release, gave marching orders to Eastern Security Network, ESN, and EbubeAgu as a matter of urgency to ensure the unwarranted attack in Igbo land stop henceforth. The Apex Igbo group disclosed that its leadership will invite ESN, EbubeAgu, and Miyetti for a meeting so as to holistically and proactively address the wanton destruction of lives and property occasioned by headsmen and farmers' clash across the states of the state of Southeast. This is really serious, but we've got to look at a lot of things right now. Ohanaeze and Igbo is talking about meeting with the likes of EbubeAgu, ESN and Miyetti. But yesterday, ESN had already released a report warning that they will not do anything. They will not join forces with EbubeAgu, which is the government-approved security network for the South. They say they are not going to join forces with them because for them, they are just saboteurs trying to get to know a lot about the, activities of the ESN. There's no way they can work with them, So I don't know how that is going to be possible. But then let's just look at why the Fulanis are saying what they are saying. But we will do that, first of all, by looking at what Nigerians have to say about the response of Ohanaeze and Igbo to Miyetti. All right, the first responder here says, "It's a good one from Ohanaeze and Igbo. This is what we expect you to do, especially when other tribes come after us like this. I really support your administration, the latest national chairman of Ohanaeze and Igbo." Another one here says, "ESN is all we want. We do not want anything like EbubeAgu. ESN can do what we need them to do for us." Another one here say Miyetti is quite a troubling people. I wonder why they cannot protect their territory. Northern part of Nigeria has enough security challenges. If they go there, they have enough to do. 5,000 of them can make a great difference in Samisa Forest. Wow, I think what this person is saying is absolutely true. Another one here says, we are not ready to partner with Ebube Pussycat because their presence will make no difference. They are just saboteur trying to frustrate Biafrans. Another one here says, this is a welcome development. I think Ohanaeze and Igbo has come to a point that they are ready to work with ESN. Another person here says, ESN is not ready to partner with any person. Didn't you hear what they said yesterday? Emma Powerful was clear about this, that darkness, light has nothing to do with darkness. Wow, so many responses coming from Nigerians in respect to this issue of ESN, featuring in the fight against insurgency in Southeast. But all right, let's just look at the issue of Fulani headsmen, Fulanis recruiting their vigilantes and sending them down to other parts of Nigeria. Now, one of the commentators, they made a statement which I feel it's critical for us to look at, and he talked about the northern part of Nigeria. I feel that the Fulanis have more grip in the northern part of Nigeria, and if they want the place to be a good base for them, already we've heard from the federal government that about 400, forest reserves are there, grazing reserves are already mapped out, with some in Lagos, Kwara, and I think Osun State or so. And I feel that the ideal thing for Bodejo to do at this point is to recruit those people to fight insurgency so that they can comfortably stay in the bushes in the northern part of Nigeria. Yes. And at least we know that there are some parts of the north that belongs, to the Fulanis. It's a good thing for them to raise enough, enough security agents that will fight against the likes of, bandits, kidnappers, and all of that who have taken over bushes there. Recruit those 5,000 people. They should go there and enjoy themselves and stop all this banditry that is going. If you have manpower to a point where you can control 5,000 people, then why not ensure that you guys kick these so-called Boko boys out of place and take over? And to think of sending them to the south to protect our forests. Did we request for them? We have to come to a point where we realize that despite the fact that we are one Nigeria, each of us as a state have control and laws regulating the people living with us. So if you are intending to send people to come to any part of Nigeria, you must first of all liaise with the governors, talk to them first, and say, I can help out in the issue of insecurity by recruiting my men to come and stay in the bushes. Anyone that oblige, you can send your people. The ones who do not want you, then don't try to cause more chaos, because right now Nigeria is sitting on a cake of gunpowder. Any little thing like it will blow, and that's not what we are looking at. You understand? I feel that the step by Ohanaeze and Igbo to, warning these guys is a good one in the right direction, so that they will know already that we are not interested in whatever security they can provide in the southern part of Nigeria. We'd like to leave it. Go to our comment section. Let us interact. What do you have to say about what Ohanaeze and Igbo is telling, Miyetti and Bodejo?